it's lunchtime and we are going to Brave to see how busy our favorite sushi place is. Sushi train, that is. Babe, from 1 to 10, how hungry are you?
A strong 6.
Yeah, right. Oh my god. We're doomed. It is so busy. We are waiting. I haven't even taken my jacket off yet.
I'm hungry.
Warm towel.
This is the one I just grabbed. Salmon with mayonnaise and onions, and this one has avocado, which is a little different.
You know what?
No, I don't. Egg today.
Because I haven't had breakfast yet.
There you go.
You can grab it from the train or order if you like. Here, so it's like a sushi train. Here. You got some.
Okay. Wow. Didn't know there was 2 menus there.
Yeah, that's the one that has the
Would you like any of these? How many? One?
Actually, no. I'm just gonna grab this stuff on
Oh, okay.
Babe, you like this?
Oh yeah, I just ordered it too.
Oh, here comes the dessert. The one that we like. Where did that come from? How too? Wow, I did not know he was going to give it to us right there. Look at that.
Wow, look at that tuna.
Look at that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
That is good.
That tuna is so good.
Ginger,
Oh,
want me to put some?
yes please, right there would be great.
More?
No,
I'll
okay.
just put it in here
Oh, okay.
so we don't have to keep it.
Okay. There we go. I'll put it right in the middle there.
I love this place. We've eaten here a handful of times already. We didn't vlog, of course, but we've been here a lot.
They know who we are.
I know. As soon as we walk in, they're like, hello.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Right in front of you while we put them.
Water. Oh, that is good water.
Especially when you're starving.
I know, right?
I have a second plate of the same thing. Two. I always order 2 of these. I was talking to another customer in here a while ago, and they were saying that. They're like, why, when you find a good thing, why would you leave?
Oh, right?
You know, it's like...
I'm gonna try this. I know what this is.
What is it?
Abalone.
Oh,
Wow.
I did not know that. Wow.
Wow. Oh, now I forgot my train of
Should have
thought.
guessed.
Cheers.
Messy. Poor.
That's good.
Oh.
It has wasabi on the inside.
Yeah, this one, he put a lot on these ones. Pretty good. Oh, Tina. You're my friend. Yeah. Can you see them? Oh. Right up the nose.
Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. You like to order it, huh?
I do. He's busy.
He's busy.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
That one I just grabbed?
A lot of wasabi.
No.
Oh.
So good.
Oh, really?
Very fatty, but very good.
Yes, that's like that first one that they gave me. It was like, man, the lines of fat in it are just like, wow. Wow. I don't know, move my soy sauce over here so I'm not digging for it all the time. There we go.
You don't want miso soup, do you?
We'll have one. I'm not going to say no to miso. I'm not a crazy person.
There's seaweed miso soup.
Like I feel like our plate stack is going to be like this high today. I'm so hungry.
Wow. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, that is the same one I grabbed. Oh, there's two. Sorry. I always forget you.
I get 2. This one, as you guys know, is the one I always get. Salmon, mayo, and onion.
I should try that.
You probably wouldn't like the onions though. That's the only thing. It's very oniony. That one's your favorite, isn't it? Medium.
Medium fatty? Yeah.
Yeah.
That is your favorite.
That is perfectly fired. So.
Why? Because it's grilled? Aburi. Oh, this is new. What is this?
That's fresh. And they're freshly charred, these ones. Yeah. It's a little bit of a burnt taste. It's really good. Now my sushi's falling apart there. The rice is falling off. No.
It's fresh rice.
It is fresh. Still warm. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Oh, that's good.
that looks really good.
Can I have this one? How is it? It's a fatty one too, isn't it?
Don't eat it.
No?
Don't eat it.
Are you
Don't
sure?
eat it.
Are you sure? Wow.
Oh, it's so creamy. Literally melts in your mouth. Oh yeah. This one though.
Yeah. And it still has that really charred taste. And it's almost like, I wonder if they put a glaze on it.
It's a little bit of sprinkle of salt. Oh yeah, that is so good. We hadn't had that when we came last time. This one. I didn't see it.
No, I think they just randomly put things up, I think, too, right?
Oh. I did that again.
There was one more.
Don't ask me what this is because I don't know. Tuna something.
That was a point in order.
It has tuna, pickled radish, and that leaf. What's that leaf called?
Cinnamon. That we just had one more because there was one more on there, so if anybody grabbed it.
I think it's gone.
You can kind of see through the train a little bit there.
No, you don't. Can I always order that one?
Nah.
I'm telling you, it's gone.
I think it's gone, yeah. I'm not convinced it's gone yet.
It's gone. Oh, wow.
So what is this dessert? I can't tip this. Oh, a little bit. There you go. A little bit.
Dip it.
Get a good dip on there. This is the best part, the dip. Oh, I dripped.
After that, I'm still waiting for one more.
Oh, okay. What are you waiting for?
For them to put down one more of those things that we like. They're really fatty ones. Okay, I'll try one.
So good. It's all about the toasted soybean. Is that what it is on the outside? Yeah.
Yes.
And that dip. How good is that, eh?
I've eaten that many times.
Many times. And every time it's still like...
It's like the first time.
Yeah.
So good.
Or like it just drowned in that sauce.
Yeah.
Check that.
Enjoy. I'm waiting for dessert on the outside.
Oh no, I forgot about that. Oh well.
Yeah, right. That's okay. Yeah.
That is good green tea.
And they put more sushi in.
Oh, that one looks good.
That looks good. That looks good. That looks good. This one is a trio. Look at that. It's a trio.
Holy mackerel.
That is.
I know. That is good matcha.
Would I like it?
I do not think so.
Too much.
It's very green tea and powdery kind of tasting. But I really like that
I like
taste.
matcha, but if it's too strong, like I can't. If it's overpowering, I can't.
I really like that Japanese matcha flavor because it's different. It's a different kind of green tea taste.
Yeah, I like it more on the sweeter side, like creamier green tea. This is our damage for today.
Oh, you can't even see the top of it.
Oh, that's not bad at all. $100. Wow. This right here. $100. Roughly. It's pretty darn good. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh man.
Well, that's better.
That was delicious.
Oh,
Watch out.
watch it.
There's a ledge there and it's metal. Last thing I need is for you to hurt yourself.
I have to go to the hospital and stay here.
Oh yeah. Okay, we need to go get that wherever that is. Where's the line? Oh, the line's way back here. This is worth lining up for. Oh, every time I walk by here, there's probably at least like around the corner. So today's not that bad. Like
Yeah,
not bad at all.
not that bad.
So you could get ice cream here, soft serve ice cream, a smoothie, mochi, and candied strawberry. A cone, always a cone. A cone, waffle cone. Wow, you could get a white strawberry, candied white strawberry. What?
We'll have to come back for that another day.
Oh man, yeah, I can't eat all of this right now. I'm just so full. I just want something like just a hint of sweetness right now. Yeah. Oh, I was like, there's a seat right there, but that's not for the. that's for something else. That's for the.
Oh,
This one. Oh. Ew.
I'm excited, even though I just had matcha too.
That's okay. Can never have too much ice cream.
No, that's exactly what I thought. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Oh yeah.
That.
Yeah, look at that. Mmm. Oh yeah. Wow.
Oh, I could honestly, without even lying, I could probably eat 6 of these.
That's way better than the matcha one you just had. It's so creamy.
Wow. And
This
it's a
is
good-
like fresh cream.
It's a good balance with the strawberry too. The strawberry is almost like a sorbet.
And then the milk.
Yeah, the cream with the milk.
How? It's almost like whipped cream tasting. It's so creamy. Why'd they give you a spoon?
I see a lot of people eating with a spoon, so.
I know. Is it because they don't want to lick it? It's like the spoon is in my way.
It's good for digging down in the cone, probably.
I guess so. I could probably go for another one of these, actually. That's how good it is. I'm not even exaggerating.
Me too.
I think the next one, if I do get another one, I'm just gonna get the vanilla.
Oh. Wow, I was gonna say all strawberry.
Oh really? I like the. Yeah, that's what the store is called.
Yeah.
Strawberry Mania.
Come here,
Right
buy
there.
it, get one. Eat it.
Tsukiji Market.
Yeah.
Come here,
Right at the
try
entrance.
this. You can't miss it. You literally can't miss it. Oh man. Okay, can we get a refill of the strawberry?
Oh, took a cone.
So good.
Mine's done.
So as we're standing here eating our cone, I just want to share with you like the things we observe because this area is a touristy area, right? Like it's all tourists here. I mean, maybe half and half locals, I would say. So as much as there's so many people here
And in Tokyo.
in one city,
Yeah.
Japanese people are so polite. They're so well mannered.
Yeah.
You
I had
will
one
never.
guy brush past me in the mall. He's like, oh, sorry.
Yeah. No, I've never even had like anyone like
He was looking the other way and
like
walking, and he was like, oh,
bumping
oh,
into me. Like it's rare you'll find someone budge in front of you or bump into you or like they move kind of like in an orderly fashion.
Yeah.
People who do bump into me is usually tourists. Like sadly,
For sure.
even just standing here right now, it's like, oh no, don't go there. Oh no, you can't sit there, and like you can tell like who's tourists and who's not, because those people literally just jumped in front of the line and didn't even notice there's a huge lineup over there, and they just try to, you know what I mean?
Just try and get in there.
Or even like when we're waiting for like elevators and things, you know, people
Or taxis or trains or anything. I think it's because Tokyo is, quote unquote, the largest city in the world. So I think they kind of have to have social cues to make it orderly. Like if everybody was walking around drinking coffee and drinks and stuff, they'd be spilling it. Or, you know, if you're walking around eating, you might bump into people and get it on there if you're going to work, you know. So that's what all the social cues are for, is to just deal with
those many people.
Yeah.
There's like 30 million people in one
35,
city.
I think.
Oh, 35?
I think so. Something like that. I looked it up the other day, but
There's more people living in Tokyo City than there is of Canada.
yeah. Crazy.
Like, isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
And
it's
Canada
still a
is huge.
beautiful, clean, organized city with wonderful transit, super easy to get around, like lots of green spaces, you know, it's
very clean.
It's very clean and very well organized.
For the many people that are here, the city is so clean.
And safe.
And the thing is, as clean as it is, you can't even find a garbage can. So people don't when we first came here, that was literally like the most.
That was the biggest thing. It's like, where do I throw this?
And
that's why we're still standing outside the front of the stand, so we can deposit it into the trash can where you purchased your items.
Yeah, because if you carry your garbage, you will never find a garbage.
You're carrying it all the way back to your hotel.
Probably for a good 5 miles.
Yeah. Yeah, it's wonderful.
I'm almost done.
Oh.
As I kicked the curb.
You kicked a me.
Did I?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You kicked a me. The sushi train.
You can tell where the market is, because that's like literally just follow the crowd.
Yeah, literally just follow the crowd. They'll show you where the best stuff is.
I know. If there's a line, that means it's good. Thank you. Ooh, that'll put some hair on your chest.
This one is delicious.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we have.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ladies.
Back into the body.
Oh,
Yes.
our host for today.
Thank you. Can't get them like that in Ireland.
1950, 1960, 1990, and 2000.
That's your martyr.